Today we will be showing you how to install our new Oracle lighting, Ford Bronco Dynamic ColorSHIFT LED dash strip kit. The first thing you are going to want to do is remove the passenger side outer grab handle. You're going to want to use a T30 Torx bit to remove the 4 screws securing it. Next, we are going to remove the glove box. Simply push the 2 tabs in on the side and unhook it from the back. Now we can go ahead and plug in the LED strips to the USB port and then use the provided panel tool to disconnect the lower panel from the lower center dash console and feed the wires through. Then feed the wires through the glove box and out the bottom of where the grab handle was. Make sure the shorter strip is below the longer strip. Once you have the LED strips routed correctly, you can start cleaning them with alcohol before applying the supplied 3M adhesive tape. Now there are several ways to apply the LED strips to your dash. You can remove the back before applying or after. You might find that it fits snugly without any 3M tape at all. Our technicians found that applying 3M tape to this area on the bottom gave it the best fitment. Applying the top strip is similar, but our technicians found it easier to leave the back of the 3M tape on while applying and lifting the upper dash panel up a bit to get the strip into place. Once you have your LED strip secured to your dash, you can test out the different colors and patterns with the included controller or hook it up to our Bluetooth app. The app gives you control of the colors as well as brightness and tons of different patterns to choose from. You can create your own custom sequences as well. Check out oraclelights.com today to upgrade your Bronco's interior.